You need to be starting white label SaaS in 2023, and here's why. Take a look at all the big names on social media right now. One, we have Iman Godsi. He shut down his marketing agency to start a SaaS business for agency owners, but he's still telling you to do SMMA. Two, we have Jordan Welch. He started his own SaaS business for dropshipping and e-commerce, but guess what? He's still telling you to do dropshipping. Alex Becker just sold Hyros for $110 million, and Russell Brunson owns ClickFunnels, which is a $1 billion company. So obviously we can see there's a pattern here. All the people with a ton of money are starting to move into SaaS, but they're still telling you to do dropshipping, e-commerce, social media marketing agency, and whatever else the gurus are pushing nowadays. That's where the money is. Dropshipping and agency models were cool back in 2016, but now the game has completely changed and SaaS is absolutely taking over in 2023. So clearly SaaS is how everyone's getting rich, but there is one small problem. If you wanted to create your own SaaS company, it could cost you a nice hefty fee of $100,000 or potentially even more. Not to mention you have to come up with your own unique idea, do market research, develop a business plan, create the actual SaaS product itself, and a whole bunch of other stuff that's kind of advanced for a beginner. All this and your business could still potentially fail, and then you're out 100K. But don't worry, because there's still a way that you can have your own SaaS business for a tiny fraction of the price and without all the risk of starting your own SaaS business from complete scratch. And you may be wondering what that is. It's something called white label SaaS. It's basically an unbranded SaaS software that's already created and coded for you. You pay one monthly fee to use the software. You get to take it, put your own logo on it, and then resell it as many times as you want for whatever price you want. There's companies out there that will literally let you do this, take their software, slap your own logo on it, and then sell it as your own. And you probably think that's crazy. Why would they even do that? But if you think about it, it's actually pretty smart. They can focus on creating this product and making sure it is the best possible quality, and we as the resellers can focus on selling the product. So it's kind of a win-win. And this is exactly what I do full-time. A little bit over a year ago, I started my own white label SaaS agency, and I was able to successfully scale this business model to 6 figures in under 7 months. I started in the same place most of you are probably in right now. I was in college, I was broke, and I wanted to make some money. So what did I do? I went on the internet and I looked up how to make money online. I tried literally everything: dropshipping, SMMA, Airbnb, stock trading, options trading, you name it, I've tried it. Then after I completely failed with all of those business models, I didn't really know what to do, but I came across this TikTok that was super interesting to me. It was a video of someone talking about SaaS, and it immediately caught my attention. Something kind of just clicked, but I immediately knew that this was the business model that was going to work for me. And as expected, once I got started, obviously the beginning was a little rough and I did hit a few road bumps here and there, but then it kind of started to take off, and I had to make the decision between continuing to do this full time or starting my 6-figure engineering job. I decided to say fuck the engineering job and fully commit to my SaaS agency full time. So that's when I called my almost boss at the time and told them I quit before I even started, and that was by far the best decision that I've ever made to this day. Now, the reason this model is so lucrative is because you have about 90+% profit margins, because if you think about it, you're only paying that one monthly fee for the software and everything else is completely profit. On top of that, there's almost no maintenance work and no fulfillment because the software is the actual fulfillment. Now, if you're wondering, the platform I use is called GoHighlevel, and it's an all-in-one marketing and automation platform for local businesses. It does anything a business could ever need or want all in one place. The process is pretty simple. Basically, how it works is you're gonna reach out to these business owners, typically either in Facebook groups or off of Google, and you're gonna see if they're interested in you helping them get more customers or automating their business. Then if they're interested, you're either gonna sell them an account on your software, or you're gonna sell them an account on your software with you managing that account for a higher fee. Then if they wanna keep using the software, they just pay the monthly fee. Businesses will pay on average around $500 to $1,000 for this software. So if you were able to pick up just 10 clients, you could easily be making $5,000 to $10,000 per month passively. GoHighlevel by far is the best white label platform platform that you can use. And if you use my link, it comes with a 30-day trial, so you can completely test out this business model and test out the software before you even have to pay for it. And in that 30 days, it's very much possible to pick up a few clients. I've seen it happen so many times. If this is something that you're interested in, I made a free quick start guide, which I'm gonna link up top, and I also have a Discord server that you can join and ask questions if you want. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna be dropping a ton more videos on how to be successful with this business model, so definitely hit that subscribe button and have a good rest of your day.